afternoon. I see a Porsche. Oh my god, what a nice surprise. Hey, interesting colored Porsche. Okay. Nice start of the day, vlog day. So today me and my friend Alexei, as you can see, the car is already checked up, ready to get her maintenance done. My friend bring me a nice present. I'll show it to you in just a moment. What the shit again? I have a shit on the car again. The car was just washed a couple days ago. Ah! 2 days ago. So the oil is ready to the service. Now the filters, the additives, the everything is here. So that oil my friend brought me today. Okay, it's gonna be hard. Can you guess what it is? It's this RGB T10 or parking lights. Okay, it's gonna be pretty funny. We already tested out. It's gonna look very interesting. We're probably gonna play with it a lot. What the fuck is happening? Whoop whoop, ito sound de la police. Whoop whoop, ito sound de la beast. This little shitty thing, the parking sensor to the front of the car. So for this oil replacement and oil filter replacement, you will need a 40mm socket, 10mm socket, ratchet extender, a ratchet of course, and about the oil filter key product, whatever, you will need probably a 65 wrench for the oil filter or a chain type wrench to open the oil filter. And you will need 6.5 liters, 1.7 gallon of 530, 540 oil, and of course oil filter, air filter, and the replacement O-ring for the screw. So, as you can see, if you go under your license plate spot, just in the middle of the bumper, as you can see the lines, you will have a cover around here. He screws with 1, 2, and 3 10mm bolts. You probably should remove it. Let's do it. So after we remove this plastic cover with the 3 bolts, there will be the oil filter housing. You should have a 65mm tool to open this, or something that will work out with this. It's kind of ears like around here, so you can probably grab it with some other tools and open it. It's too tight for the hand opening, but previously you should go next from this hole to the carter that's around here. You can see the screw of the oil carter here. You should just remove it, spit out all the oil, and enjoy. So guys, sorry for the shaky video. I would like to show you how I do it. I use the chain oil filter opener, and it works pretty fine. The guys, it's my dealer, tied it too well last time. I don't like that they do it, but what can we do? Dealers is the dealers. This will probably be enough. Now I probably can open it with my bare hand. Okay, that's good. I'm pretty ready. So I was just doing it a moment before I releasing the carter cap, because just to make sure that I can open it. So meanwhile she's dripping, we're going to do the air filter. Everybody know how to do it. You just clip it off, clip it off, clip it off, and clip it off. And I'm pretty sure that, oh yeah, remember to detach this wire to avoid damage. Oh fuck. Didn't sound so good. Let's read like this. And air filter is out. So after we get it out the oil filter cap, we already replaced that rubber ring that's already in this bag. This ring should be replaced if you have a screw that's allow you to tighten or whatever. I don't actually know what it is, but it should be used here if you have a screw. In my model I don't have a screw. You should put some oil around here, down here on this rubber. I don't know how good it will get oil after you will insert it, and you should replace this ring that I already did. Then just screw it in, and you're done and ready to refill your oil filter. Your oil. And if my wheel is off, I will let you see what a shitty shit I got in there, because I don't think I ever showed in a vlog what I got. So let's see. There is a Brembo sticker. Yes, it's bring you around 15 to 20 horsepower, but fake horsepower. As you can see, a real Brembo brake pad. Brembo, no, EBC brake discs, the KW V3. Very nice coilovers, trust me, very nice. So pretty much my front setup. Now I hope this time it will be okay, it will not rub again. What else? Oh yeah, and I will need to raise up the rear height as well, because you know, aerodynamic things and everything like that. Ilya, you got a really nice car. You have a special handle. What? Oh, and by the way, you got a flat tire. Fuck. So finally we finished it. Now Piggy look high. She look high. Very tall. Very tall we look. Just look on how much gap I have inside now. I can put my hand here. It's not okay. But I hope she will not rub anymore. I'm pretty sure the rear is too low yet. I probably will need to raise it up again. So the car is clean. Yay. Shiny. After maintenance, oil change, filter change, she feels like new. Oh, I just feel like I received the car again. She breathing, her filter is clean and nice and everything. I think I need to do a tutorial about how to reset the service light in the car. Okay, let me do it. Oh, what a lovely couple. It looks so lovely to ride a bicycle in the middle of the sunny day. But I am a car guy, so I probably should swap it for a 200cc engine and not for leg engine. Nostalgic night. So after a long day of work, sometimes you're thinking about your past, what you have done, where you have been, where everything actually began. Just from tools like this one, a very nice horsepower Honda. So actually my street life started here a couple years ago between these two gas stations. We established our first race, street race, between a lot of German VAG cars and Hondas. Let's try to show what they got. And for today, after around 4 or 5 years later, we are been here, done it, everything. Now we are grown people, and we're no more kids. That's what's going on here. This place is still running almost as he was when we made it, but then was much more interesting cars. Civics. Alpha, a nice view here. Mercedes, Opel OPC, and the nice one, Beast. Actually, it's one of the strongest, but as you can see, there is a lot of Honda around here. Danny. Oh wow. As I'm finishing editing this vlog, trying to scrap some content for you. As you know, on street racing there is no video footage, nobody get any interesting footage, but I looked for, just for you guys, yes, just for you guys, I looked for a nice video in my phone, and I'm actually found one. Yes, from back at the days when we had real good nights. So I will show you, not slow motion today, it's an old school type of video. It's old content, it's not actual anymore these days, so it's okay to release it now. So while I'm chilling out here with my whiskey and my dog at the late night, yes, Nita, she's already sleeping. I'm not, I'm editing just for you guys the scraps of what I got for today, because I didn't have drift session this week. Because in the next week we are gonna have a really nice trip to the Dead Sea with some nice cars. I believe I'm gonna be rude and try to get you a nice footage from the inside, maybe a lap on the track from the inside. Try to get you some nice content, because my vlog's starting to get really boring, because I don't really have enough time for car meetings, car action. I'm too busy with the studying, working, and everything like that. So cheers for the old good days of street racing that we are already out and will live forever. And street racing.
הנה, לחצו, הנה, התחילו ללחוץ. הנה, התחילו ללחוץ. וואו, אחי! וואו!
איתו ביחד, תראה מה זה הולך להיות.
בוא'נה, באמא שלי כמו מהר מעצבני. אחי, נשבע לך.